Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Happy Wednesday, if it is indeed Wednesday when you're watching this, or happy whatever day it is for you. So I just wanted to make a video to explain what your assignment was this week. So this week, we are actually combining our art and music lesson. So what we're going to do is I have sent you a link. There's a link in the lesson plan for the 1812 Overture finale, which is the end of a very famous piece of music written by Tchaikovsky, our composer of the month. And it's a really exciting piece of music. I think you'll find it pretty exciting. So what you're going to do is you're going to listen to this piece of music 3 times. The first time you listen to it, you're just going to listen. That's it. You can close your eyes if you want. I always find that kind of helps me focus on the sound a little more. And then the second time through, I want you to really pay attention to the things that you notice in the piece of music, right? So maybe that's which instruments are playing, how loud or soft, fast or slow the piece is moving, maybe what kinds of images you see playing out in your head as you listen. Just take note of whatever you notice as you listen. And after that second time through, I would like you to write down or have a conversation with a family member about the things that you noticed. All right, so if you're doing this by yourself, you can just write down the things you noticed. If you have a family member with you and they're listening too, then you can talk about what you both noticed in the piece. And then finally, you're going to have some art supplies out because this third time through, you are going to draw or paint while you listen. And you can draw and paint anything you want, okay? So maybe you draw and paint the things that you imagine happening in the song. Maybe you draw and paint the instruments that you hear, or maybe you just make sort of an abstract visual representation of the song. And by that I mean, if the song is really loud and exciting, maybe you use a lot of hot or warm colors like red and orange. Maybe if it's like kind of slow and soft sounding, you would use cold colors like blue or green, right? So you can do anything you want with this piece of art. And then email that piece of art to me and to Ms. Bykowski, because this is an art and music assignment, right? And then that's it. And once you're finished with that, you can also watch, I gave you all a link to an orchestra performing the piece of music so that you can see all the different instruments playing and the fireworks and the cannons. It's really something. It's very exciting. So that's your assignment for this week. And I hope you enjoy it. Have fun with it. And I'll check in with you all next week, okay? See you later.